Hello guys, and welcome back to a solo traveler channel. This is the continuation of our learning how to divide any numbers easily, efficiently, and effectively using my advanced technique or advanced method of division. In this video, you will be learning how to master on how to divide numbers. And I know many of you that have these difficulties of dividing numbers because division actually is one of the difficult branch of mathematics. So pay close attention. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Do so because this lesson will help you a lot. And let's get started. 3, 3, 5, 2 divided by 3. Okay. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. 1 times 3 is 3. The difference is 0. So that difference you all you have to do is put that beside of 3. This is now your dividend. Okay. Again, 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. And 1 times 3 is again 3 minus 3 is 0. So again, you have to put a 0 beside of number 5. This will read now as 5. Okay, next, 5 divided by 3 is another here 1. And 1 times 3, 3. Okay, keep that in your mind, that 3. Okay, because you will going to minus that from number 5. Okay, 5 minus 3 is equals to, the difference is 2. So you have to put that 2 here. Now, this is your new dividend, 22. Okay, how many 3 you can get from 22? You have to think. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, it's not even. It's close, but 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, 22 minus 21 is equals to 1. Okay, you have to put 1 here. Since there is no more number after 2, you have to put point here and point here. Now, since there is no more number, as I told you, you have to add 0 to 1. This is now your new dividend, 0.10. So now, how many 3 you can get from 10? 3 times 3, 9. And you minus that 9 from 10. 10 minus 9 is equals to, again, another 1. And add 0. And again, the same thing, 3. And again, the result is, again, add 1, add 0. And 3. And again, 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is again 10. And so on. So on. It will goes on and on and on. 3. So on. It will goes on and on and on. So now your answer is 1117.333. Actually, there are so many 3's. Imagine, if we divide this in a standard way, we might end up losing space because imagine how many digits our dividend, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you divide that in a standard way, you might lose your space and end up, messing around here. So guys, I hope you learned something from this division that I just showed you, and I hope that you watch this video again and again so that you will be able to get a full understanding how to divide numbers easily, effectively, and efficiently. And I'll probably give you 2 more examples. After that, we'll end. This is the second example that we will be answering together. 5, 6, 7, and 8 divided by 4. Okay, let's start. 5 divided by 4 is equals to 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Keep that 4 in your mind because you are going to minus that 4 from 5. Okay, 5 minus 4, the difference is 1. And that difference, you will put that beside 6. Now your new dividend is 16. Okay? 16 divided by 4, how much? 4 times 3 is 12. Of course, 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Now, 16 minus 16, there's no difference but 0. Put that 0 beside 7. Okay? Now, 7 divided by 4, nothing but 1. And 1 times 4 is 4. Okay? Keep that 4 in your mind because you will minus that 4 from 7. Now, 7 minus 4 is 3. Your new dividend is 38. How many 4 you can get from 38? Okay, 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 36, okay. You have to keep that 36 in your mind and minus that 36 to 38. 38 minus 36 is the difference is 2. Now, since there's no more number after 8, you have to put that here and that here. Okay, and there's no more number after 8. This will count as 20. How many 4 you can get from 20? It's simple, 5. Because 5 times 4 is 20. And 20 minus 20, which you keep that in, which you hold in your mind, is 0. Okay. As I always tell you that once you get 0 dividend, it means that you already get the final answer. Okay, 1419.5. This is the last and final example of advanced division series. 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5 divided by 5. How many 5 you can get from 9? 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Keep that 5 in your mind and minus that 5 from 9. 9 minus 5 is, the difference is 4. Okay. You put that 4 beside 8. So this will read now as 48. And this is your new dividend. So how many 5 you can get from 48? Probably 5 times 10 is 50. Okay, not possible because this is lower than 50. So 5 times 9. 9 times 5 or 5 times 9, it's 45. Minus that 45 from 48. 48 minus 45 is, how much the difference? 3. Now your new dividend is 37. Okay, how many 5 you can get from 37? 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 5, 35. 37 minus 35 is 2. Now put that 2 beside 6. Now your new dividend is 26. Now, how many 5 you can get from 26? Of course 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5, 25. 26 minus 25, the difference is 1. Now put that difference here beside 5, and your new dividend is 15. Okay, how many 5 you can get from 15? 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, 3 times 5, 15. And since there's nothing more, it means that you already get your final answer. So your answer is 19,753. 3 times 5, right? 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Nothing. If you calculate this in a standard way, you will probably end up scratching your head because it will eat a lot of space. So now, I hope that you learned something from this video and you subscribe to my channel, get notified. If you care, you share this video to others so that others also can learn from this, and nothing more I can say. And thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.